Unpacking Idioms. Pull stakes, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, specifically the phrase, pull stakes. This idiom might sound a bit mysterious at first, but don't worry. We're going to unpack its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, pull stakes, is an idiom in English used to describe leaving a place or ending an involvement in a situation. It's often used when someone decides to move from one place to another or to indicate a significant change in one's life or circumstances. The key aspect of this phrase is the sense of removal or departure. To truly understand pull stakes, it's helpful to know where it comes from. This idiom has its roots in the early days of American history. Stakes were used to secure tents or claims on land. Pulling up these stakes meant that you were packing up and moving on. It symbolized the end of one's time in a particular place and the beginning of a journey to somewhere new. Using pull stakes in a sentence is quite straightforward. It's typically used in informal settings. Here are some examples. 1. After living in the city for 10 years, I've decided to pull stakes and move to the countryside. 2. The company is pulling stakes in the overseas market due to changing economic conditions. Notice how the phrase is used to indicate a significant change, especially relating to location or involvement. There are other idioms and phrases with similar meanings to pull stakes. For instance, pack up and leave. This has a very similar connotation, indicating a departure from a place. Hit the road, often used informally to mean leaving or beginning a journey. Understanding these similar phrases can enrich your vocabulary and give you more options in conversation. And that's a wrap on pull stakes. This idiom, with its historical roots and modern applications, is a great example of how colorful and dynamic the English language can be. I hope this video helps you understand and use pull stakes confidently in your conversations. Remember, exploring idioms is not just about learning new phrases, it's about connecting with the culture and history behind the language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.